Another YouTube video, and by the title, I don't know why I always say by the title, but by the title you can see we have a little package that we need to unbox. You can even see the little electronic thing right there. So, oh, door's locked. But yeah, let's get into the video. Let's do this. Your boy last name up there. Anyway, let's cut this open. Alright, let's get back. Keep jumping for it. Alright, let's see. Hey, it's my first I'm turning the camera wrong way. It's my first GoPro. Look at it. Let's see. Yeah, I got the Hero White. Cause you know it was the cheapest one, so I wanted to try out GoPro and see how they are in the first place before I fully commit to a black. So let's get this paper off and let's see what we talking about. Now we got a little light on the situation. Please don't talk about my bed. I just literally just got out of it. Yeah. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 White. This is such a big moment for me. I don't think y'all know. I've been recording videos since 2012. I want to say. I started basically when I was 12. It's not necessarily, I haven't been going straight through it, but I've never had like a real camera. I never actually experienced what a real camera would feel like. So yeah, let's stop getting emotional. Let's open this. How do you open this up? Let me get my stand. Let me go get my stand. Alright, it should be working. Alright, let's clear some space off. Alright, now how in the heck do you open this? Do you just open it from the bottom? Oh, okay. So you got a little tear label back here. Let's see, is everything just gonna fall out? No, it's not. Dang, bro. Oh, sheesh. Look. Oh my gosh, y'all just don't know. Y'all really just don't know. Got us a couple GoPro stickers. The instruction manual. Let's see. Got the little mount. I guess that's what this is. The mount. And then we also have the cord to charge it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for this. And so that means one thing left, and that's to take this camera off. Wait, what?
What?
Am I doing this correctly? I don't think I am.
1 hour later.
Worst comes to worst, I always just try and unscrew. Yeah, worst comes to worst, I always just unscrew it. Whatever you see that you can unscrew it, just unscrew it. Alright, let's see. This just okay. That popped open. So now I can take my GoPro out. Is that a thing? Oh, look at it. Oh, look at a little bitty thing. I didn't even realize how small it was. That's so crazy that they make things like this. Alright, let's pull it a little. Like, you want to see something like as good as. Can I get my fingernail? Ready? I love that. It's so dope. Alright, let's see if we can turn this on. GoPro. They let you know what it is. Look like the battery may be going dead on this. Oh. What? Oh no, we about to have some fun with this, G. I'm so lit. Insert SD card. Okay. Did they send me an SD card? Because they said that it would come with an SD card. So it's not in the box. So where in the heck is it? Oh, yeah, it's in here. Yeah, 32 gigs came on. All right, cool. Let's insert the SD card. How you pop this open? Get my Get my old trusty, what's it called, box cutter. I don't know if y'all can tell if I'm excited or not, but I am. Like, maybe it's because I'm off for like 3 hours of sleep. I'm glad my computer has like a SD adapter. Oh my. Y'all should just seen how far that went. Oh, I'm dumb. Yeah, I'm extra dumb. Alright, so basically you just press this button and slide it open, and then it opens up. So, like, why? What did I think that button was for? I don't know. Okay, yeah, we got it in there. Why? Like, I don't know why. I need to calm down. That may be what it is. Oh, I gotta do it right now. Okay, well, yeah, I gotta connect the GoPro to my phone. So I'll be right back. Hey, wait, I want to change the fishbowl look because I don't think this is not gonna work. Hey, look at G shit. Hey, so I can get like real. Oh, look at my face. Bro, this is lit, and I look cross-eyed because I'm looking into the thing. But this is lit. Okay, wait a minute. All right, so this is all set. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to change this. So give me a second. Let's see if I can, you know, edit this thing real quick or change the mode or whatever. Why do I look so cross-eyed? Anyway, I don't think you can change it on the white, or I'll have to do some research on it. But anyway, I am more than happy with this purchase. I'll have to figure something out to try and change it. But yeah, so this was just my unboxing video. I will most definitely make a video on the differences basically between this, well, the GoPro and iPhone X, because this is what I was recording off of prior to. So I was like, may as well make a video. So we're gonna get into that video probably, I want to say, yeah, my next upload, whenever that'll be. You know, I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Forza Fridays usually. So we'll have one up this Friday. I'm actually gonna put this up in conjunction with the video I uploaded earlier today. If you want to see that video I uploaded earlier today, click on that card up here in the top right hand corner for you. And yeah, so we're gonna do a comparison video next video, and that's pretty much it. But it's your boy Dirty D, and I'm out. Peace.